my goodness, y'all. Can you imagine this? Making $150,000 a year while working remotely from home from anywhere you want for one of the most innovative food delivery companies in the world. Yes, in the world. Well, this is your opportunity. I found an amazing position at DoorDash, and I'm going to break it all down for you. But before we do, if this is your first time joining me, and thank you so much for being here, welcome. My name is Sharice, and I post remote jobs for you in the six-figure range every single week. So we're going to break down this position. But I want to let you know, if you are looking to apply for this $150,000 a year remote job at DoorDash, there is one crucial element you will need. You're going to need a resume. And I'm not talking about your tired, used, everyday, generic resume. No, you're going to need an ATS optimized resume tailored specifically for this position. But don't worry, I got you covered. I have a DIY resume kit linked below in the description. That's going to come with a template for your resume, for your cover letter, and your reference pages, as well as ready, done for you list of keywords, of job experience, and phrases you can use on your resume. And if you're thinking, okay, I tried to do my own resume and I have not had any luck, well, I got you covered there too, because I have a one-on-one resume consultation and rewrite session where we'll sit down together and I will professionally write your resume for you. So if you're interested and you are serious about this position, check those links in the description below. But before we dive into the details, I always like to start with a little bit of inspiration. So today, here's our quote. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. You know, we have the opportunity to go out and create the life we want, to get the job that we want, and do a career that we love. We have that opportunity. So let me encourage you today. You can do this job. Stay in your job search because the job you are looking for is just around the corner. Yes, so let's dive into today's job. So the title of today's position is Senior Program Manager in the HR for HR division. So let's look at about the team you'll be working with. So the HR business team works to build a diverse, inclusive, and equitable organization that drives value for our business and puts power in the hands of the employee and their manager to accelerate their growth and impacts. So about the role, the senior program manager for the global people organization, you're going to play a pivotal role in driving high visibility projects that contribute to strategic decision making and shape their global culture as they continue to scale. The role provides the opportunity to engage in a variety of cross-functional programs across talent management, employee engagement, employee relations, organizational design, general HR business partnership, and more. You will lead strategic initiatives that drive forward their people organization and enable growth and scale, including talent reviews, calibrations, monthly business reviews, and critical people related projects. Again, this role is highly cross-functional and you're going to have frequent interaction with senior stakeholders. So being a very good communicator and working cross-functioning with different types of people, different departments, and also different levels and ranges of people is going to be very important here. And especially you already have a knack for HR and engaging and working with people, this is going to be a great position for you. It says they're looking for individuals who are comfortable in a fast-paced, hands-on environment with an affinity for driving impact. You'll report directly to the senior manager in HR for HR. Okay, so let's look at, it says you're excited about this opportunity because you will. So they're going to give us the breakdown of the role. So you're going to be at the forefront of designing, implementing, and managing people strategies that will shape the future of the people org. Have an opportunity to partner with leaders across teams, being a trusted coach, thought partner, and problem solver. This is a great line here. It has a lot of keywords you can use on that resume. Again, they're looking for someone who's going to work cross functionally, who's going to also be able to coach different levels of people and also be a thought partner and problem solver to higher levels of management. So it's an opportunity to engage a lot of people on different types of levels. They're also saying you'll be a part of a dynamic work environment where you'll continuously tackle new challenges with no 2 days being the same. You'll have the opportunity to work across multiple regions and cultures, gaining valuable experience in managing global HR programs and initiatives that cater to a diverse workforce. Deepen your understanding of HR ecosystem, and also have the opportunity to travel occasionally for key meetings and events. And they're saying the travel requirements are not expected to exceed 15% of the time. So that's good to know. Some travel may be required for this position. And they're saying they're going to be excited about you because let's look at some of the qualifications they're expecting for this position. They're saying that you bring a strong HR experience, have a bachelor's and a 4 to 6 years of professional experience in human resources. You understand the broader HR landscape and how the various HR functions work together to create a cohesive and impactful employee experience. And I just want to note 4 to 6 years for a senior position is not that long of a time. So even if you have 3, 4, 5 years, or even a little bit more, this would be a great position for you to apply to and also grow into. But again, the 4 to 6 years, that is not a lot of time. So this is a great opportunity for someone looking to jump into that senior level position. So they're also excited about you because you are data driven and analytical. You're skilled at analyzing complex data to uncover insight, drive informed decision making, track progress, and assess the effectiveness of HR programs. You're comfortable analyzing key HR metrics and translating data into actionable insights that drive continuous improvement. They're also saying they'd like you to have proven leadership and strategic influence. You have a demonstrated track record of successful cross functional leadership and are adept to engaging with senior functional leaders, influencing their strategic thinking. So you're going to have to sell your ideas, sell yourself, be very good at presenting, synthesizing the data and the information that you gather to break it down to be able to influence the decisions of some of these key senior decision makers. They're also asking that you are an experienced facilitator. You have a proven ability to facilitate a variety of HR sessions, from performance collaborations to development workshops to strategy sessions. You're skilled at crafting clear and compelling content. You have a natural ability to distill complex data, ideas, and strategies into clear, actionable insights. Again, you're able to synthesize information from complex data to insights and decisions that the senior leaders can use. And it says whether you're communicating verbally, in writing, or through visual presentations, you can simplify and craft a compelling story that resonates with diverse audiences. So this is something that you're going to want to include on your resume. You're going to want to break down instances where you have had to craft a story or give a presentation or take large scale data or some kind of data analysis you completed and how you synthesize that into compelling insights that senior leadership use to make high level decisions. And lastly, they're asking you to thrive in ambiguous environments. You excel in navigating change and ambiguity with resilience and confidence. You're also skilled at helping others embrace change, leading with curiosity and empathy. These are also great elements to include on your resume, especially in those skills section. You can include how you are able to clearly navigate change. You love ambiguity. You lead with confidence, but also curiosity and empathy. Those are all great keywords you can use on that resume. And again, if you need help working on that resume and getting it ready for this position, I have my DIY resume kit linked below. Again, you're going to get the templates for your cover letter, your resume, and your reference pages, as well as a list of keywords and key paraphrases you can tailor specifically to this position. And if you need even more help, I have a one-on-one resume consultation and rewrite session where we'll sit down one-on-one over Zoom and I will write your resume for you and make sure it's optimized for that ATS system. We will extract these keywords as they have listed here and tailor them to your resume and your work experience. So let's move on down to the compensation and the benefits. And again, I want to just highlight here, they're expecting to fill this position by March 3rd, 2025. And again, they have special instructions here if you are located in New York. So looking at the compensation, the successful candidates starting pay will fall within the pay range listed below and is determined based on job-related factors, including but not limited to your skills, your qualifications, your work location, your market conditions, and that is common across all of these positions. So your base salary is localized according to the employee's work location, and the ranges are market dependent and may be modified in the future. And if we scroll on down just a little bit, we're looking here at the base salary starting at $102,000 all the way up to $150,000. And again, they're saying that the range is going from the lowest geographical market up to the highest geographical market in the United States. So a little note up here about DoorDash. They say they care about you, your overall well-being, and they offer a comprehensive benefit package for regular employees, including a 401k plan with employer match, paid time off, paid parental leave, wellness benefits, and several paid holidays, paid sick leave in compliance with applicable laws. And they also offer medical, dental, vision benefits, disability, basic life insurance, family farming assistance, commuter benefits, a mental health program, and they're also saying much more. But they have a list of all of their benefits here on the page that you can look at. Again, the pay range starting from $102,000 all the way up to $150,000. So if you are interested in this position, I promise you this one will not last. This is a great position with a great company for someone who is in HR, who loves engaging people at all different types of level, who love looking at the data and making informed decisions, synthesizing that information to tell a story. If that is you, I encourage you to apply for this position. And also, DoorDash and companies like these, they are looking for people who are inspired, who are innovative, who are excited about this position. So I want to include, even if your previous experience does not match one for one, you can do this job. You can absolutely do this job. I promise you. What's going to be crucial though is that on that resume, you tailor your resume, your experience, your keywords to this job description. And again, in my resume kit, I have a list of keywords already crafted for you that you can pull from, that you can match to this job description and put on that resume, as well as paraphrases for your experience, also templates for your summary. Those things, when you tailor them to this resume, you have the perfect chance at your resume getting seen for this job. So if you love this and you like this type of content, I encourage you to like and subscribe because I put out new jobs every single week. So you do not want to miss them because this one, I promise you, will not last long. So thank you so much for being here today. Again, if you want support with getting your resume ready for this position, I have my DIY resume kit linked below, as well as the link to book a one-on-one consultation call with me, and I will professionally write your resume for you. So thank you so much for being here. I'm in your corner. I'm rooting for you. I'm here to encourage you and let you know you can do this. You got this. Your next job is right around the corner. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.